how to remove a green screen in VN video editor using Chroma Key. Now let's get started. First of all, launch the VN video editor application in your mobile device. Now you have to import the media. So tap on the plus icon from the bottom right corner. Now tap on new project. So from here you have to select the background photo or video. Then tap on next. Now again you have to select your green screen video. For that, tap on the plus icon just above this video that says tap to add sticker or PIP. And from this option, tap on video and photo. Now you have to select the green screen video from your device. Now once you have that, you can scale this green screen video with the help of your fingertip and then place it on the position where you like it to be by simply dragging in your video. Now once you have that, from this menu bar at the bottom of this interface, swipe to your left and there you will find an option as Chroma. So tap on Chroma. Now what you have to do is simply drag this circle shape object on your interface to your green screen. And after you do that, the green screen has been removed. And again, you will have some settings as intensity and spill. So if you would like to increase the intensity, you can simply increase or decrease as well. And there's more option as spill too. So you can either increase or decrease. And after you're done with that, simply tap on this tick mark. And with that, you have removed the green screen in VN video editor. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.